Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys on my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys Infinix phone guys phone smart panel how to off. Friends, you don't want to use guys your Infinix phone smart panel setting guys. So how can we off guys this phone smart panel setting guys? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys you will have to on phone setting guys. So guys we will on guys phone setting from smart panel. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. So friends click on guys your phone special function setting guys, tap here. Guys click on smart panel setting. So friends you can see smart panel is here. Friends you don't want to use smart panel setting guys, you can use from here. Friends you can see smart panel guys, we will tap here to off. After guys you can see the setting will not work in Infinix phone device you want to use, you will have to again on it. So like that guys smart panel will not work guys, you can see guys this. So I hope friends you understood how to off guys smart panel setting in our Infinix phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.